My neck is twisted, make big deposits. My gloss is dripping. You like my hair? She thinks just do it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it.
Hey guys, so right now I'm just chilling in my house, but I wanted to show you guys how I organize my closets. I was definitely watching that show on Netflix with Marie Kondo. I think that's how you pronounce her name. Sorry if I'm butchering her name, but it's basically a way to like fold your clothes and help like organize your space a lot better. So as you guys know, I did move, so I am currently trying my best to be minimalistic and just stay very organized in my new space, because I love my new space and I don't want it to get cluttered like my old space. So I'm going to be showing you guys in this video how I just followed some of her techniques and, well, just followed some of her techniques and organize my space. So in the next couple clips, I'll just be showing you like how I did that, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Something new I want to do on my channel, because I do love fashion, and when you're buying all these things, you have to like have somewhere to put it and keep it organized. Duh. So without further ado, I'm gonna start this video. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below if you heard of this Netflix series and if you like it. And yeah, so I'll just show you guys a little bit of my room. I do want to do an official room tour once I'm finished getting all the furniture and pieces that I want, or at least majority. I'm almost done, so maybe in about another 2 to 3 weeks I'll be done, but bear with me. I hope you guys really do like this video. Like I said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and enjoy this video. This is my closet, my new closet, and already it's looking like a clutter fuck. Like I just started putting stuff in there, and like it just got crazy. I have my rack, and then I was trying to unbox some things, so like I have a whole bunch of crap on the floor, and I got this little dresser from Wayfair. I really underestimated how small this dresser was, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, if I'm gonna use it as like a nightstand, or if I'm gonna give it to my mom so she could like put it somewhere else in the house. But I don't know how I feel about this. Like, it's cute and all, but I need something a little bit taller or a little bit wider. Yeah. Alright, right now what I'm doing is basically keeping what I love, and whatever I don't love, I'm going to say thank you, but thank you next. So right now I have these two things on a hanger. So I have this denim vest, and I have this denim jacket, and I love both of these things. Both of these things bring me a lot of joy. I love like the splatter of like the bleaching on the denim jacket. Oh my god, let's look at this. Let's look at this. Okay, I'm definitely keeping this. So this is in the yes pile. I'm definitely keeping this orange jacket because I love it. Love the color. Yes.
You saw me back and I fell new. Please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too. Don't be afraid. Give me your love, baby, give me your hand now, and I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm not awake. I wish you could take me away, but not that would happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me all you can. I feel like I'm not awake. I wish you could take me.
Alright guys, so this is basically what I got accomplished. Like, so this is my first drawer, second drawer, third drawer, and the last drawer is miscellaneous, so I'm not showing you that. So that is my dresser drawers, and now this is how my closet is looking. A lot more organized than before. So yeah, a lot more better. So, and I even like organized my rack a little more. So I got rid of a whole bunch of stuff that was on it. I only have 4 pieces right now. These 2 bags and a tape measure. So that is it for the closet slash dresser drawer organizing.
You saw me back and I feel new. Please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too. Don't be afraid. Give me love, baby.
Alright guys, last but not least, make sure to go check out my Poshmark. I will be selling some of the items that I got rid of. So make sure to go check that out. Thank you guys.